Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Epcot and we are going to be having lunch / dinner at Via Napoli over here in the Italy pavilion. This is my first time eating here. This is actually everyone's first time eating here. My parents have always been super interested in trying this restaurant because it is a pizzeria and we have heard really good things about this place. So I'm excited to try it and give you guys a full review on what we thought about our experience here at Via Napoli in Italy. Let's head on inside. So we actually got a table that's quite close to the kitchen. This is where all the waiters and waitresses pick up their stuff, and they have the pizza ovens over there. You pick up all the pizza items right there. Not bad at all. Okay, so the menu that's actually on the phone looks a lot bigger than the menu that's outside. So we're gonna scroll through this, and again, you guys can pause the video if you want to take a closer look at something. But yeah, everything looks really good, but again, some of this is looking pretty on the expensive side. You got your pizzas down here. You can add different toppings, different prices, pizza specials. Got some desserts, tiramisu, cannolis, cheesecake. Everything looks really good. And real quick, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the kids menu, which is really small. And that's pretty much the kids menu. Alright, so the very first thing that we got, just to kind of try it, is the spaghetti and meatballs. We did try and get a kid size, and this is more or less what a kid size is going to be like. You're typically not able to order off the kids menu if there are no kids at the table, so just bear that in mind. But yeah, this is like almost a little bit of a sample size of spaghetti and meatballs that I'm actually excited to try. Next up, we got the fried mozzarella as an appetizer. And for the table, we also got some calamari as well. I always look forward to calamari. It's definitely one of my favorite appetizer items. So I can't wait to try these and see how they're tasting. So again, what's the consensus on the consensus on the spaghetti? Mom, you said it tastes like Chef Boyardee. It tastes like Chef Boyardee. Oh no.
Except a little sophisticated with a little bit of oregano.
Chef Boyardee with a little bit of oregano.
Boyardee all the way.
Oh my gosh. Coda, what do you think?
Take me right back to my
Oh my god, I cannot believe it. It tastes like Chef Boyardee. And Coda and my dad used to live off of Chef Boyardee, so they know more than anybody. My mom and I, not so much, but damn, that's actually kind of sad.
I still buy Chef Boyardee and bring it to work. On like days I'm feeling real lazy, I throw a can in my bag.
So I had a few pieces of the calamari. The calamari is actually really good, and the mozzarella sticks were pretty good as well. Coda is not a fan of the calamari. I don't think she likes how it's a little rubbery. Yeah, she doesn't like the texture of calamari. It all depends on how it's cooked and everything. I actually think it tastes really, really good. All right, so we finally got our pizza. We got the half-a-meter pizza, which has what I guess is 12 slices. Looks really good. We got extra cheese and pepperoni all over it.
Yeah,
it looks absolutely delicious, but my god, it is massive. Just zoom out, just so you can get a sense of scale. My mom over there. It's massive. Okay, so here is a quick look at our receipt from our dinner. We had calamari as an appetizer. The margarita pizza ended up coming out to about $60 because we added 2 different toppings, pepperonis, and we added more cheese. So just bear that in mind. Originally on the menu it said it was $44, but with the extra toppings it brings up to $60. We got a side order of spaghetti, and then we got a side order of fried mozzarella, so we could have gotten more for that. What was it? We had one soda, strawberry limoncello by my mom, and then we got the $10 or 10% pass holder discount. So in total, for 4 people, it came out to $116, and that's not including tip. So just be aware of that if you are coming out here and you are a rather large party, so that you can kind of get an idea of what you're going to spend. Okay, so we just got done eating in Via Napoli, and overall, it was pretty good. It was pretty good. Overall, it was pretty good. Minus the Chef Boyardee tasting spaghetti and meatballs. I don't know what was up with that. It honestly tasted like Chef Boyardee with a little bit of oregano in it. So just bear that in mind if you guys come here to Via Napoli. I've honestly had better spaghetti and meatballs at Olive Garden, someplace like that, if you're familiar with a chain Italian restaurant. So I wouldn't recommend ordering the spaghetti and meatballs, but the pizza was really delicious. Now, if you guys are a rather large family, it comes pre-cut in 12 slices, and even then the 12 slices were pretty massive. So if you're a large family, I would highly recommend going with the half-meter pizza. And if you guys are looking for a cheaper option, don't get any of the extra toppings. Just bear that in mind, that it is going to add on to the price a little bit. The pizza came out, it wasn't really hot. It was kind of warm. You know, Coda had pointed out that there was a pizza that was sitting out there for a couple minutes, and you know, we had no idea whether it was ours, but turns out it was ours. So the pizza didn't quite come out as hot as, you know, everyone at the table was hoping that it would, but it was still warm enough, and it was still really delicious. And I highly recommend getting that pizza if you guys are a rather large family. Honestly, you don't even need appetizers. If you guys are a rather large family and you're looking for some place to eat, come to Via Napoli and get that large pizza, and I can guarantee you that is going to fill you guys up quite a bit. Now, the appetizers were pretty good as well. The mozzarella sticks were delicious, and I actually really enjoyed the calamari. Now, as far as the calamari was concerned, Coda didn't quite care too much for it, because it was, you know, she didn't like the rubbery consistency, but calamari is pretty hit or miss with any Italian restaurant that you go to, so it all depends. Now, also, speaking of depending on who you are, the pizza, you know, there's pizza all over the world, and there are a lot of people who like New York style pizza, Chicago style pizza, regular, like hardcore Italian style pizza. You know, in my personal opinion, I think that the pizza is good over here, but my definition of good versus your definition of good might not exactly be the same. So it's honestly worth trying. I personally think it's good. If you guys want to try the pizza for yourself, then definitely come on down to Via Napoli and try their menu. Really nice restaurant, really friendly staff. They were very accommodating to my mother's dietary requests as well, which was always really helpful. So yeah, I recommend this restaurant. I would definitely come back here again. The pizza is actually a really good deal. As far as the pizza is concerned, they also have different options. I read it off on the menu, and I showed you guys on the menu. They have the personal pizza, which comes in 4 slices, and then they have the 20-inch, which comes in 8 slices, and then you have the half-meter long, which comes in 12 slices. So those are your different options as well. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know if you guys have ever been to Via Napoli. I know a lot of you guys have. Let me know your experience down in the comment section below, and if you guys had similar experiences to what we had at Via Napoli over here at Epcot today. Definitely subscribe if you're new around here. Ring that bell, get notified whenever I upload a new video like this in the future. What other Disney World restaurants do you want us to review next in the future? Definitely drop that down in the comment section below. I hope you are all having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, and we will see you guys in the next video.